You can upload assets to an existing folder on the Folders page. Here's how. First, navigate to the Folders page. On the sidebar, click the folder to which you want to upload assets. Drag the files you want to upload onto the Folders page, or click New Assets on the action bar. You can drag files to the upload area, or you can click Select Files to browse for assets to upload. Select a template to apply metadata and security policies to the uploaded assets. Give your upload activity a name if you want to check its status on the Activities page. If you want to choose a different folder, click Change Folder. And on the Metadata tab, enter metadata to apply to the assets. When you're done, click Finish. The assets will appear in the folder you selected when the upload is complete.